Didn't know today would be our last, or that I'd have to say goodbye to you so fast. I'm so numb I can't feel anymore. I'm praying you just walk back through that door and tell me that I was only dreaming. You're not really gone as long as I believe. There will be another angel around the throne tonight. Your love lives on inside of me, and I will hold on tight. It's not my place to question, only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight. Always made my troubles feel so small, and you were always there to catch me when I'd fall. In a world where heroes come and go, well, God just took the only one I know. So I'll hold you as close as I can, longing for the day when I see your face again. But until then, God must need another angel around the throne tonight. Your love lives on inside of me, and I will hold on tight. It's not my place to question, only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight, singing hallelujah. Just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight.
Pagod na si Daddy Man.
Ala eh. Matanda na.
Ako nga.
Dati ano?
Ano po?
Birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Anniversary.
Lakad.
Pasisyo. Kakasabi to ba ibang mag-anak? Naku tayo, arti Mabagal yan. Gulot na kanya. Ang gagulot. Gagulot. Tuloy-tuloy na. Dapat mula ka. Step in there. Wala ba ako? Baby ako. Hindi na ako masyadong malamig.
Michael Kenny.
Dami nga, betang businesswoman. Diyan mo na yan. Alakwanin. Yan. Nag-cellphone. Oy! Ang mukha, mas
Halip, magkay ko.
balo dami gautin niya. De tutok ng de kliyente.
Bakit siya nakaabot ng 39? Wala pa.
Sino yun?
Ito, 39.
Babumble si mama. Siya namimili para sa akin. Kayo mamili pa.
Ano pang ate?
Wala ka napili?
Huli.
Force lang kaya pa.
Naman, ano to?
Eject.
Mukhang...
Bakit?
Puros ko nga nasbo.